Hello guys, welcome back to William ROTOFURY channel, and today we got an unboxing and review of the Nerf Megarotofury. So there we go. This is the front. It has the side of ROTOFURY and the Nerf and the Mega. In the back, we just have the sign that just the ROTOFURY and the Mega and the Nerf like that. Okay guys, we're gonna reload in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, I'm already reloading. And you got your barrel over there, 10 rounds. There's your mega dart. And now we're gonna shoot. Oh, I forgot to mention. If you wanna slam fire, you hold down the trigger and you start priming just like this, like that. If you want a normal mode, just go. Don't hold down the trigger. Just start priming like this, priming, and then start press the handle. One more dot. Okay guys, see you in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so that's the 10 round, and now let's do the slam fire. Remember, hold down the trigger and start priming like this. So that's slam fire. See you in 3, 2, 1. So guys, that's 10 round, and now let's do the normal mode. Prime the action like this. Hold it back. Start. Hold the handle. Three, 2, 1. So guys, that's 10 round, and now let's do the slam fire. Hold on trigger. See you in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, that's 10 round. Let's do the normal mode. Okay guys, that's 10 round, and now let's reloading again in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so that slam fire normal mode, and we're gonna do the slam fire now. Remember, hold the trigger and start priming. Okay guys, see you in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, as I mentioned, this is the end of the video. So as I mentioned, there's no clear gem or no function. This blaster is good to well. So I say it's 5 out of 10. Yeah, this is so good. When the slam fire is so much fun. The slam fire is a blast. It's a cool. It's a pro, guys. When the normal mode, yeah, it just good pro like that. So guys, as I mentioned, there's no gem or no function. Please subscribe and hit that like button for notification, and please hit that bell for more big contact. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Channel name William ROTOFURY channel. Please subscribe. Okay guys, see you in 3, 2, 1.